Some thunderstorms
Here we go.
produce gusty winds after 8 p.m. Rainfall amounts less than a tenth of an inch. Lows in the mid-70s.
Here we go, right now.
To the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources. Here is the latest National Weather Service forecast.
Okay, there was Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 448, which got issued at 3:25. Okay, CTP, first alert of the day. So I was not able to get the full thing because IMBot gave it so late. Really?
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties: Clinton and Lycoming.
Any day now. Stay inside a well-built structure and
severe thunderstorm was located over Jersey Shore, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source. And trees. Locations impacted include Williamsport, Montorsville, Jersey Shore, Muncie, Watsontown, Montgomery, New Boytown, New Columbia, Allenwood, Elandsport, Tobin Station, and Collinsville. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Mile 1 and Milton Williamsport exits, specifically from mile markers 200 to 211. This includes Interstate 180 from mile markers 1 to 29. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this severe thunderstorm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties: Lycoming, Northumberland, and Union.
Columbia, Lycoming, Northumberland, Union, and Montour. Let's catch it.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Columbia County in Central Pennsylvania, Southeastern Lycoming County in North Central Pennsylvania, Montour County in Central Pennsylvania, Northwestern Northumberland County in Central Pennsylvania, Northeastern Union County in Central Pennsylvania, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Muncie, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Bloomsburg, Milton, Lewisburg, Danville, Northumberland, Muncie, Watsontown, Huntersville, Riverside, Montgomery, Midtown, and Light Street. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Mile 1 and Berwick Line Ridge exits, specifically from mile markers 199 to 236. This includes Interstate 180 from mile markers 1 to 16. This is a dangerous storm. To stay safe, immediately move inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this severe thunderstorm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties: Columbia, Lycoming, Montour, Northumberland, and Union. Southeastern Columbia County in Central Pennsylvania, East Central Northumberland County in Central Pennsylvania, Central Smithfield County in Central Pennsylvania, until 6:45. At 6:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ulysses, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. This storm was part of a cluster of strong to severe storms. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bosco, Tamaqua, Mount Carmel, Schuylkill Haven, Shenandoah, Minersville, Mahanoy City, Trackville, St. Clair, Kaltmont, Ashland, and Orleansburg. This includes Interstate 81 from mile markers 117 to 135. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in St. College, Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued Pennsylvania, southeastern Cleveland County in northeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Jim Thorpe to Tuscarora to Seltzer to near Culp Mont, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Lehighton, Bethlehem, Forks, Northampton, Wilson, Nazareth, Paulson, Jim Thorpe, Hamburg, Sladenton, Fleetwood, Bath, Walnutport, Topton, Shoemakersville, Steuben, and Lyons. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 54 and 78. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 26 and 58. For your protection, move to the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm at 30 p.m. for the following. The National Weather Service and State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 6:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from New Mahoney to Snyder's to Renninger's to Buck Run, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
What?
Impact.
WKYJ for Schuylkill?
Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outdoor. The National Weather Service and State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania until 7 p.m.
That's interesting.
At 6:31 p.m. Harrisburg and Marlin. This includes Interstate 81 from mile markers 111 to 115. These are dangerous storms. To stay safe, immediately move inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties: Schuylkill, Pennsylvania. Schuylkill Haven, Minersville, St. Clair, Owensburg, Fort Common, Fremont, Hometown, New Philadelphia, Fredericksburg, and Marlin. This includes Interstate 81 from mile markers 111 to 115. These are dangerous storms. To stay safe, immediately move inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties: Schuylkill, Pennsylvania.
Okay, interesting. So WKYJ-FM goes for Schuylkill.
Southern Hockerton County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, east Gilbert County in eastern Pennsylvania, northern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, Buck County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania. At 7:05 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Nazareth to near Cloudsville to Topton to near Leonardsville, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Bethlehem, Lansdale, Fort, Anna, Northampton, Quakertown, Percy, Doylestown, Durham, Wilson, Stoddard, Bedminster, Howtown, Nazareth, Cooktown, Flemington, Fleetwood, and South Holland. People at the New Hope America 250 celebration move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8